In today's video, how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. You cannot upload a highlight directly from your phone gallery. Instead, you need to create a temporary story first. To make sure nobody sees it, you can hide the story from your followers before posting it. Hide your story from your followers. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to who can see your content and tap Story, Live and Location. Tap Hide Story and Live From. Select all of your followers so nobody can view your story. Tap Done. Go back to the Instagram home screen. Tap the plus story icon at the top left corner. Select the photo or video from your phone gallery that you want to add to your highlight. Post it as a story. Once the story is posted, open it. Tap the three dots more in the bottom right corner. Select Highlight. Choose an existing highlight or create a new highlight. Go back to Settings and tap on Story, Live and Location, then select Hide Story and Live From. Unselect your followers to restore your normal story visibility. Tap Done. Your photo or video will now be saved to your Instagram highlight, while your followers won't have been able to see the temporary story. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.